Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 11:23 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Monday, September 2nd, 2013. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, and Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region. Environment Canada continues squall warning for Lake Simcoe at 10:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Monday, September 2nd, 2013.
Environnement Canada a maintenu un avertissement de grain pour Lac Simcoe à 10h20, heure avancée de l'Est, le lundi 2 septembre 2013.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11 a.m. Monday, September 2nd, for today.